Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a fundamental concept in system design, polling versus webhooks. We'll break down these two ways of getting data and figure out which one is right for your application. Let's dive in. First up, polling. Think of polling like this: your application constantly asks the external service, "Hey, do you have anything new for me? Anything new now? How about now?" As the diagram shows, with polling, data fetching happens on demand. Your application initiates the request at fixed intervals. The downside? This approach can be resource-intensive and inefficient. You're constantly using resources to ask for updates, even when there aren't any. On the flip side, one advantage is that developers have greater control over when and how the data is fetched. You decide the interval. However, polling struggles in high-throughput situations because you might miss real-time information or overwhelm the service with requests if you check too often. Now, let's talk about webhooks. Webhooks are a game changer. Instead of constantly asking, webhooks are like having a built-in notification system. You don't continuously ask for information. Instead, you tell the external service, "Here's an address, an endpoint on your server. Call me when something interesting happens." This makes webhooks incredibly efficient in terms of resource utilization, especially in high-throughput environments, because you're only receiving data when there's an actual update. Crucially, webhooks are ideal for real-time updates because data is pushed to your application as soon as it's available. So, when do you use which? While webhooks are generally preferred for real-time efficiency, they do have risks, like chances of missing notifications due to network issues. This is why proper retry mechanisms are crucial when using webhooks. Polling is a solid option when there are infrastructural limitations preventing webhooks, or when near real-time updates aren't critical and you need more control over the fetching schedule. Webhooks are recommended for applications that need instant data delivery and require efficient resource utilization, especially when dealing with high volumes of updates. Choosing between polling and webhooks depends on your specific needs for real-time data, resource constraints, and the capabilities of the external service. Understanding these two patterns is key to designing efficient and responsive applications. If this breakdown helped you understand polling versus webhooks, hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives into system design concepts. And let me know in the comments which approach you use most often. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.